So hello friends, and in this video we will discuss Chevrolet Silverado vehicle, and there is a problem with the spark plug wire, and we are getting a DTC, and the code number for the DTC is P0307. So let's check why this DTC P0307 is coming, and we will see the purpose and the symptoms and possible causes for this concern. So let's move to the video. So if the check engine light or malfunction indicator is eliminated on the dashboard and the engine control module is stored DTC, which is P0307, you will examine misfiring cylinder in the car. This article will help you diagnose a DTC P0307 code and replace spark plug wire and spark plugs to fix this code on a Chevrolet Silverado. So the code P0307 indicates cylinder number 7 misfire detected. A misfire may damage the three-way catalytic converter and cause the MIL to blink immediately. Now let's see the symptom of this fault. So the symptoms are check engine light on or flushing, misfiring or stalling, rough idle, car won't start or rough start, poor fuel economy. Now let's see the possible causes for this fault. The following are the possible causes for this problem: faulty spark plug or wire, faulty coil, faulty oxygen sensor, faulty fuel injector, faulty catalytic converter, poor compression. So these are the possible causes for this fault.